morning, afternoon, evening, whenever you're watching this. This will be an interesting video. A viewer sent me a package, so we're going to open it up using the SE4, which, yes, I still owe the review on it, a finished review or overview, which I'll probably film while doing this video as well. 2 videos for the price of 1, right? Okay. So, easy enough opening the tape. See what this is. Thank you for purchasing pullstartfire, the 5-second fire starter. It's not permitted on an aircraft. Keep it away from children and keep it away from pets. This is what it says. Pullstartfire. Alrighty. Sent me 2 boxes of these. And the pullstartfire. Okay, there it is. The easiest way, the fastest way to start fire. No matches. Lights wet wood. It's wind and rain proof. And it burns for 30 minutes. That's what it says. So, interesting. Yeah, same thing. Keep it off the planes. Don't give it to children or pets. Okay. It is made in China. So, but it's made in China, but I guess the headquarters, it says, is in Virginia Beach. Pullstartfire.com. Anyway, so step 1, loop the green string over a log to secure. Step 2, build a structure of logs. Step 3, pull the red string quick and hard to start. Let's go see. Okay, well. It says it works with wet wood. Let's see. Okay. Step 1, loop green string over log to secure. Oh, and there's 3 of these in a pack. Each of these have the individual instructions on them too. That's good. Okay. Green string over a log. Okay. Step 2, build a structure. And does that count as a structure? I guess. And then step 3, pull the red cord. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. It's burning red in there. Excuse me. Probably not a good idea to breathe the fumes. Let's see if it'll like this. A little too close to my plants. So we're at about 5 minutes of it burning. It's still going, but it doesn't look like it's caught the wet wood on fire yet. That's my guessing though, is when it says it works with wet wood in the claim 30-minute time, it's probably thinking, hey, it'll dry out the wood before it catches it on fire. That's at least my guess. But hey, it's still going. So if you had a proper tinder and kindling bundle, it'd probably work pretty well. But I'm not trying to be proper. I'm just going by what it said on the box. Wet wood and logs. Didn't say anything about tinder or kindling or even using find yourself some dry fuel. I'm going by what it said. It's just up there cruising around. Oh, there's two of them. Oh, please don't poop on me. Okay, so we are at 20 minutes. I don't see any flames. It's still smoking, but I don't see any flames. It didn't catch the wood on fire. So that's what's going on. Yeah, so it's just smoldering. There's going to be no flames after this. Okay, so the claims of burn 30 minutes. Maybe if you count the smoldering in a little smoke towards the end of its life as burns. Wind and rain proof, I don't know, maybe for 10-15 minutes, maybe. There was a little bit of a breeze, but no wind, no rain. So I'm not gonna test that out. Lights wet wood, it did not. And no matches, well, yeah, no matches. So it's kind of hard to dispute that claim. So we are going to try, since it is a 3-pack, we are going to try one more with a little bit better prep. Still not, it's not gonna be an ideal prep of the dry tinder and dry kindling and everything, but it's going to be a little more realistic of maybe someone with not a lot of experience would do in the woods, that knows at least a little bit about fire, like, hey, you gotta get the small stuff and the big stuff, and maybe doesn't know how to procure the dry wood. So yeah, we're just gonna rebuild this and try it again. Kind of funny, here we are about 45 minutes and it's still kind of smoldering, but I mean, that's not burning at least 45 minutes. So we're gonna try this again. Okay, so we're gonna use this log again as our main log. I'm not going to dunk everything in water this time. Let's go ahead and put this stuff over it. let's redo our triangle. Sort of. Yeah, close enough. Then let's give it a go. 3, 2, 1, do it to it. Did it put it out? Nope, there's still flame in there. Yeah, looks like it's dried out or got hot enough for some of the leaves to burn.
Ooh, that's big firewood.
Okay, so I moved a couple things around and put some just debris that was on the porch on there to see if that helps, and I think it is helping. Hey, looks like we got an actual fire going. Wonderful. An actual fire going this time. All right, hey, still going. So my final thoughts on these. Do they work? Yeah, I guess. Do they work as advertised? No. You know, it advertises, 4 to 5 logs that could be wet. You pull the string, you're good to go. No, absolutely not. But if you spend just a little more time, you're gonna do just a little bit of more prep with some smaller sticks or twigs. Get yourself that little bit of tinder, a little bit of kindling that maybe can be a little wet. Then yeah, it can work. I would say get yourself some fire education. Get yourself some training. Just do a little bit of research before using these, before purchasing these. Just don't expect to be able to use it straight out of the box and have yourself a roaring fire right away without any knowledge or anything like that beforehand. It's not going to work. So see. So yeah, that's kind of why I do what I do. Thank you to the viewer that sent this out to me, and just remember, just get yourself a little bit of fire research, and you should be okay. Will I take the extra one of these and rely on it completely for an emergency situation? No, but it's a nice alternative, nice backup to your backups to try. So I do have, as you saw, I did get 2 boxes of these. I will be giving away the other box to somebody, some subscriber in the US only, but that is another video to come for that special giveaway, so be on the lookout for that. And in the meantime, remember, get outside, enjoy life, and do a science. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.